up guys, Skyware Entertainment's here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can get texture packs for Minecraft on the Xbox One. This is completely free and is really easy, so let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so to get texture packs for Minecraft Xbox One Edition, you need to download them first, and to download them you need to launch Microsoft Edge. To do that, simply launch it, obviously. So yeah, we'll wait for this to load. Okay, so once it is loaded, you need to go ahead and go to MCPEDL, which is a website for everything related to Minecraft for the Bedrock Edition. So let's do that, MCPEDL.com. Now I'm gonna click enter and go to this website. Once this website is loaded, we can go ahead and go to texture packs at the top over here and basically choose any texture pack you want. I'm gonna click on 16 by 16 because the size of the texture packs is really small, which is good for tutorials because it downloads really fast. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly find a texture pack and I'll be right back once it loads. Alrighty, so I found this texture pack called Simplified Textures. What you want to do is download it once you find the texture pack that you'd like. It's near the end of the page usually, or in the middle, depending on how many comments there are. So yeah, basically just find this download section and then click on it. It'll open a new tab, which will sometimes download it automatically. Sometimes you need to go through this very long process of like ads and stuff. But basically, once it looks like this, you need to simply click on save. And there you go. Now we can go ahead and close up Microsoft Edge. And now you need this app called My Files Explorer. So you need to download it first, and to do that you need to go to the store and then go ahead and click on search and search for My Files, and then you'll see My Files Explorer. Now the app is paid, but there is a 24-hour demo version, so you can download that, or if you'd like you can buy it, which I did because I use it really often. So yeah, basically just download this app and then launch it. And this is what it should look like. It might be a little different because I customized it a little, but basically you just need to go ahead and click on downloads from over here. Or if that's not there, then click on user MGR0 and then click on downloads. So here you can see all your downloads, which is a lot for me. Basically what you need to do is find that texture pack that you downloaded. There it is, simplified textures.mcpack. Now what you need to do is simply move the file, click on move file, and then go ahead and click on this device from here. Then click on isolated storage, and then click on packages at the top. If you don't see the packages section over here, there will be a pinned comment in the comments section which will explain what you need to do. Basically what you need to do is click on packages, then go down a little until you find Microsoft.Minecraft UWP console. Click on it and then click on local state, games, com.mojang, and now once you're here, you need to click on resource packs. If you don't see the resource packs folder, then you need to make a new folder, and to do that, simply right click and click on new folder and make sure that it's named exactly resource_packs, all lowercase. Okay, if you do it like a little bit wrong, then it won't work. So yeah, basically make a resource_packs folder, click on it, right click in an empty space, and then click on paste. Now it will paste the file, or move it, I should probably say. And there you can see simplified textures.mc pack. Now what you need to do is click on rename and go all the way to the end where it says MC pack. Delete the MC pack part and rename it to zip. So it will look something like this. Now once you have this done, you can simply right click it and then click on extract. It will extract, and I'll fast forward this part. Alright, so once you have extracted the texture pack, I unfortunately had to cut the video, so because I was having troubles with doing it. Basically, once you have extracted the texture pack, you should find a file with the same name with _extracted. Click on it. Oh, sorry, one sec. Click on it, and it should look something like this. If it doesn't, however, and you simply see a folder with the same name inside of it, and then you click on it, and then there's this inside, you need to select all of these files. So textures, description, manifest, pack.png, right click them, and then click move file. And then click on the folder up here, and then right click once again and simply click paste. I already did that, but basically once you're finished, it should be something like this. You click on resource packs, and inside you should see a folder with the texture pack name. Once you click on it, I have select enabled, sorry. Once you click on it, it should look something like this on the inside. Once you have that done, you can simply go ahead and launch Minecraft. So that's exactly what I'll do. Alright guys, so once Minecraft has finally loaded, you can simply go ahead and click on play and launch a world, or not launch a world, but edit a world, or simply create a new world. And basically once you're on this screen, to apply that texture pack, you need to go down here until it says add-ons, click on texture resource packs, and then click on my packs. And you should see the texture pack that you downloaded. Simply click on it and then click on it again to apply it. So it can say a warning sometimes, but that doesn't matter because it almost always says it. So yeah. Oh wait, I have a ton of texture packs applied, jeez. Here, I'm gonna deactivate these real quick to show you the result. There. So once you apply the texture pack, it should look something like this. And you can simply go ahead and click on play. I'll be right back once this loads. Alrighty guys, so once the texture pack or the world has loaded, you can see that the texture pack is clearly applied. So yeah, this is how you can get texture packs in Minecraft on the Xbox One. So if this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like. And having said this, I'm Skyware Entertainments, and I'm out.